in this question, we need to make I the subject of the formula. So we need to make I the subject of the formula. I just highlighted in blue. All right. So now let's see. We can see that the P must move first because it's not inside the bracket, right? And P is a multiplier on the right, so it must be a divider on the left. So we divide both sides by P, divided by P, divided by P, and this will obviously cancel. And then we have A over P is equals to 1 minus I all to the power of n. And then from there, we want to remove the n, right? Because we want to get inside, we want to get to the I, né? We want to get to the I. So the n is currently zipping the bracket, right? So what we're going to do here is we're going to multiply, because the n we can easily remove it by multiplying both sides by 1 over n, by the reciprocal basically. So I'm also going to multiply this by the reciprocal. And then on the left, this will cancel that. Then I'm left with, therefore, A over P, all in bracket, 1 over n is equals to 1 minus I. All right. Someone could have just n-rooted here, n-rooted. We just basically n-rooted here. This was an nth root. So if you want to write this, you can say, I'm going to do this. The I is negative, so I'll bring it this side to make it a positive. And then this guy, I'm going to move him to the right. So I'm going to have 1 minus A over P all to the power of n. And someone can have their answer as this, as 1 minus nth root of A over P. That is still correct, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to share with family and friends. Thank you very much.